Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to talk about killer blackheads. First, let's look at some of my favorite cysts and pimples from around the web. While you do that, click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. Without the bell, YouTube will hide our best pimples and pops. So what is a killer blackhead? The technical name is Keratoacanthoma, and it's neither killer nor is it a blackhead. Seriously? Neither? That's it, I'm out of here. Just kidding. Let's discuss. Keratoacanthoma is a dome-shaped lump or tumor that grows on your skin. Once you spot it, it's important to talk to your doctor. It sometimes happens to people before they get squamous cell carcinoma, the second most common type of skin cancer. If you catch the problem early, treatment usually works well. It looks like a small, red or skin-colored volcano. There's a distinctive crater at the top of the lump that often has keratin, or dead skin cells, inside. You'll usually see keratoacanthoma on skin that's been exposed to the sun, like your head, neck, arms, the backs of your hands, and sometimes your legs. It often starts in a hair follicle.
In this particular case, we've used an epinephrine in the xylocaine. So xylocaine works well. Epinephrine works better because it's also a vasoconstrictor, so you have less bleeding.
Men are twice as likely to have the condition as women. It's also more common for white people than those with darker skin and in people age 60 and over. It's rare for anyone under 20 to have this condition. Of course, they can't be treated with blackhead removal tools. You're gonna need a doctor for that. However, blackhead removal tools are great for pimples like this. Now let's take a look at my favorite blackhead removal kit. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own. Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Phinergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Phinergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Phinergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.